cylinder. Curved surface area or lateral surface area of a circular cylinder is equal to perimeter of base into height. Perimeter of base into height, that is called surface area or lateral surface area. Perimeter of base, that means circumference of circular base, 2 pi r into height h, where pi is 22/7 or 3.14. Total surface area, curved surface area plus 2 into area of base. Curved surface area plus 2 into area of base. Curved surface area 2 pi r plus 2 into area of circular base pi r square. That is equal to 2 pi r common r plus s. So total surface area is equal to 2 pi r into r plus s, where r is equal to half of diameter, or diameter is equal to twice the radius. Now worksheet 4. First question is here: find curved surface area and total surface area of a right circular cylinder whose height is 15 cm and radius of base is 7 cm. Here it is given height of cylinder is 15 cm, radius of base is 7 cm given. Curved surface area how much, total surface area how much? So we have curved surface area, formula for curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. Putting value of r and h, we get 2 into pi 22/7 into r7 into h 15 cm square, that is equal to 660 cm square. Now total surface area, formula for total surface area 2 pi r into r plus h. Putting value of r and h, we get 2 into pi 22/7 into r7 into r7 plus h 15 cm square, that is equal to 44 into 22 cm square, that is equal to 968 cm square. Pi is equal to 22/7. Now question number 2. Diameter of a right circular cylinder is 4.2 decimeter and height 1 decimeter. Find its curved surface area in centimeter square. Here D is equal to 4.2 decimeter, that is equal to 42 centimeter. Therefore R is equal to 21 centimeter, since 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. Height is equal to 1 decimeter, that is equal to 10 centimeter. We have curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. Putting value of r and h, we get 2 into 22/7 into 21 into 10 centimeter square, that is equal to 1320 centimeter square. Now question number 3. Curved surface area of a cylinder is 1320 centimeter square and radius 10.5 centimeter. Find its height. Here given curved surface area 1320 centimeter square, radius 10.5 centimeter, h is equal to what? So we have h is equal to curved surface area by 2 pi r. Putting value, we get 1320 by 2 into pi 22/7 into r 10.5 centimeter, that is equal to 20 centimeter. Now question number 4. Circumference of the base of a cylinder is 176 centimeter and height 65 centimeter. Find its lateral surface area. Here given circumference of a base C is equal to 176 centimeter. Circumference of a base, that is denoted by C, is equal to 176 centimeter and its height h is equal to 65 centimeter. Lateral surface area or curved surface area what? So we have lateral surface area is equal to circumference of a base into height, that is equal to 176 into 65 centimeter square, that is equal to 11,440 centimeter square. Hence, that is the answer. Thank you.